of guns.
I need something from you, and I need something new. Oh, I got things to prove to you, and I know what to do. Oh.
Okay, so the Tribit Flybuds are true wireless earbuds that cost around $60 to buy right now, but they feel like they cost $200. Let me explain. You see, it starts with the case. It has this premium full leather finish to it that's just absolutely mind-blowing. Then it's the earbuds themselves. They look and feel absolutely solid. Like, you take one look at these things and you know this are premium budget earbuds. And yes, this premium case that I was just talking about has a USB Type-C port that you use to charge it, and also doubles as the port where you plug this into a computer to update the firmware of the earbuds. And this updating firmware business is kind of important because this company seems very committed to improving your experience with the earbuds with firmware updates. I updated my firmware last weekend and they got rid of a lot of things that were really annoying. For example, they completely got rid of the single tap to play pause on this earbuds, and now it's a double tap type of thing, so that way there's less error on the earbuds where you're mistakenly pressing them when you don't really mean to. Like, it's an entire list of things that they've changed with this true wireless earbuds. Now, I'm not going to lie and say that their update process wasn't a little cumbersome. In fact, I think the document made it feel worse than it was, but after I actually did it, it was pretty easy and straightforward to do. That said though, I think we need to talk about some of the most important things with every true wireless earbuds review, basically. First thing is going to be the sound quality. Now, I absolutely love the quality of the sound out of this true wireless earbuds, but the bass is not there. I mean, it's there, it's just like not really there. The true wireless earbuds seem like they're more balanced for, I don't know, monitoring audio as opposed to enjoying audio. Like, they're just not banging enough. But for the general quality of the sound this puts out, I'll probably rate it a solid 7 out of 10 for this price point. Now, the call quality is also pretty impressive. I tried to make phone calls with this and the people I was speaking to had no idea I was on true wireless earbuds. It felt to them like I was speaking through my phone. Next would be the build quality, but I'm pretty sure I already spoke about this. This thing feels absolutely premium. Premium full leather finish on top of the case, premium feeling earbuds with the touch experience and the matte finish. It just feels entirely premium. Although one problem that I did notice with this is that the true wireless earbuds somehow for whatever reason don't work with my computer anymore. I mean, they connect perfectly, and when you connect them and you play music, it works for like the first 5 seconds, and then you start hearing this skipping sound. I reached out to the guys at Tribit and I asked them what was going on, and they explained to me that the true wireless earbuds work perfectly on phones, but this is probably a known issue that they're currently sorting out and will probably fix in an upcoming software update. I thought that was weird. But then from my experience with true wireless earbuds like this is probably like a Bluetooth protocol thing issue, and it shouldn't really be that hard to fix in an upcoming software update. So, complete honesty, I think if you buy these true wireless earbuds and you don't mind things like single tap to play pause, and you're not somebody who accidentally taps your earbuds a lot, you might want to just leave them as is so that it can work with your phones and your computers alike. And we can't forget the unboxing experience. Pretty straightforward. This true wireless earbuds basically come with a case that contains the exact same thing that you get with almost every other true wireless earbuds. You get extra hair tips, you get a thank you card, you get a box that has like your charging cable, you get your true wireless earbuds themselves, and some sort of manual, which I guess is obsolete after you pretty much update your firmware. So the bottom line is, these are fantastic true wireless earbuds, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. For the price, I feel like they're a steal. The only thing I'm not super sure about is going to be the fiddliness that's involved with using this true wireless earbuds. I don't really like the idea of having to update firmware with my true wireless earbuds. I mean, they're earbuds. I just want to put them in, enjoy my music, and go on with my life. But after having these true wireless earbuds for almost 2 weeks and using them almost every day, do I recommend them? Absolutely 8 over 10. I recommend them, yes. Go out and buy them. If you find them on a discount, even better. Go buy this, They work fantastic, they sound fantastic, they feel amazing, and they definitely look even more amazing than they feel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace.
You may not know me, but I want you close, all around me, under and above. You may not know me, but I know your love. It's around me, under and above. You may